Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of cardiac muscle for histology, practical and slide. There are four identification points of cardiac muscle. Number one, cross striations are present. Number two, branching fibers are present. Number three, intercalated discs are present. Number four, 1 to 2 oval central nuclei are present. These four are the identification points of cardiac muscle for histology, practical and slide. I already upload the slide detail explanation video of cardiac muscle on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. Now I will upload these identification points also. On my YouTube channel you can find general histology, special histology, each slide detail explanation video and each slide identification points video for histology, practical and slide. If you like my video, press the like button and share these videos with your friends. If you new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open the all notification for receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.